Okay. Maps ranking. I will be releasing a very advanced map ranking mini course sometime next week. Something like a Valentine's Day special. This is something I teach in my advanced mastermind growth partner model. This is something we literally been testing it out in the last 1.5 to 2 months and seeing some crazy results. Again, some of you may know, some of you may not know. I do a lot of white label SEO for quite a few SEO gurus out there. These gurus are good at marketing themselves and good at YouTube and all of that, then they can go sell their course. And I do white label SEO. I do white label SEO for personal injury lawyers, some ads agencies for personal injury lawyers. I am a lot technical. I should probably get a lot more better at marketing my own course, but I'm more technical and I love just reverse engineering Google and all that. So maps ranking, what works? I'll tell you, I'll give you a secret. If you can just go to this guide section, right, and go over here, day 4, GMB, GBP, I give away some secrets right here. Okay, some videos right here. And then my YouTube channel right here. Okay, I show how to do this a little bit. I give away some secrets in my YouTube channel and there. Okay, but literally, I'll be releasing a mini course that is affordable to everyone, and that's going to be maps ranking advanced. I know people who have $6,000 courses that they don't even teach that, but I'm going to be giving it for less than $100, right? But it's be advanced, right?